Okay, ready? Okay. So everybody take comfortable seat. Okay, keep close your eyes. Keep hands on your heart. Again, think about money, your particular goal, where your money is stuck, your payment is stuck, money is not coming back into your life. कोई भी रीजन हो, सैलरी स्टक है, प्रमोशन स्टक है, पार्टनरशिप में कुछ अगर कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है वो भी वापस नहीं आ रहा है, कोई भी रीजन हो, द एंड गोल इज फोकसिंग ऑन मनी, attracting money. So focus on your thoughts, your emotion, your belief. If anything negative you are sending, if any negative you are creating, take responsibility. And as we are going to use Ho'oponopono, purely magical healing prayer, so let's surrender this process to the universe. कब होगा, कैसे होगा, होगा कि नहीं होगा, let's surrender everything to the universe. And just believe in magic. Just believe in your energy, your frequency. Money को आना ही आना है when you vibrate with the right frequency. So today I am going to focus on particular loan that you are taking for any reason. I am considering that you are taking loan for your home, property buying. Let's replace this property buying with your particular goal. Again, if you don't have loan, you focus on your particular goal. So let's say I take 100% responsibility of all my emotions with supporting this blockage. I take 100% responsibility of all my thoughts and belief, because of which this money is on hold or blocked. I take 100% responsibility of all person involved in this payment process. I take 100% responsibility of all my words, because of which this payment is blocked or on hold. I take 100% responsibility of all the reasons because of which this money is blocked or on hold. I take 100% responsibility of any negative energy that I am sending to the money, because of which this money is blocked or on hold. Dear money, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. This payment, this money is already received in my bank account effortlessly and easily. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And now I want you to focus on your loan. Focus on that loan of money, banking process. Each and every person connected with this loan process. Say thank you, dear bank, for giving me loan. Thank you to the system of when without having money, I can still buy house, property, or spend money whenever I want. So if any sadness, any guilt for paying interest is injustice of exchanging money and receiving value in terms of buying property. Every day, I bless this loan. Because of this loan, I receive this value. The loan has energy, bank has energy. All the person that connected in this loan has energy. So we are surrounding with different energies, positive and negative. But I only attract the energy which I have. Loan is also one kind of help or support. When I feel bad of paying interest and I don't accept the exchange of value as an interest payment, I feel bad. I doubt my capabilities because money is already trusting me. When I come through loan, that Fatima is capable enough to paying interest. So dear money, sorry for feeling so small about you. You trust me, but I don't trust myself. Instead of focusing of benefit of getting home property because of loan, I feel bad for paying interest. Please forgive me, dear money, for my pattern of feeling bad, feeling worry, because I am only focusing on negative part. Thank you, dear money. You come into my life through the loan. You give me home through the loan. You respect my need of having home. And now I respect you through paying interest. Now I respect you through paying interest. The more I respect you, dear money, the more you come to me as magical money. Because you feel safe with me. You feel respected by me. You love this part of me. And you keep coming as abundance in my life. As you come as a magical money, I don't know how all my interest is getting paid magically. So, is there any kind of curse, sadness, heaviness, tension I am keeping for this loan? Please forgive me, dear money. I allow myself to let it go. I am so grateful of this money. You come into my life in the form of loan. So doesn't matter in which form you are coming into my life. I respect you. So as a win-win condition, you give me home and I am giving you interest of money. You are happy, I am happy. You fulfill my needs, I fulfill your needs. You win, I win. You respect my needs, I respect your needs. So dear money, I'm sorry for feeling bad for you. Please forgive me for not respecting you. Thank you, dear money. You are taking care of me in the form of loan. I love you, dear money. In all form, you are coming into my life. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. This blocked money, on hold money, blocked payment, on hold payment, partnership payment, increment, in the any form, this money is not coming into my way. I just allow myself to clear out all the negativity that I am creating. I allow myself to open the door to all money, not just for this blocked money. From every direction, I allow money to come into my life. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now be with this money frequency allow yourself to send blessings to this blocked money, जहां पर भी है, जिसके साथ है, जो कोई भी पर्सन इस मनी के साथ कनेक्टेड है, bless them. Dear money, grow with love. Create positive energy to that environment, to that place, with all of that person. And with the right time, with the right energy, come to me with blessings and lots of love. Come to me with positive energy. Grow with me in abundance and harmony. So, dear money, right now, wherever you are, with whomever you are, just grow with love, grow with blessings, grow with positive energy. And now bless yourself that you are already receiving that magical money. Your money goal is already achieved. You are blessed with abundance. That magical money कैसे आ रहा है आपके पास? You don't know. किस फॉर्म में आपके पास आ रहा है? You don't know. But every single day that magical money is coming. Whenever I see money, I feel wealthy. Whenever I think about money, I feel wealthy. Whenever I touch money, I feel wealthy. Because if I'm capable enough to think about money, I'm already vibrating at the money frequency. And this money frequency is definitely making me wealthy every single day. So whenever I spend money, I bless that money, right? Go with love. Grow with love. Every single time I spend money, I send blessing. Go with love. Grow with love. Keep repeating with yourself that every single time I spend money, I spend with blessing. Go with love. Grow with love. One more time. Repeat with yourself. Every time when I spend money, I bless that money. Go with love. Grow with love. So every single time जब ये मनी किसी और के पास जाता है, वो मेरी ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ जाता है, मेरी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी के साथ जाता है. So in return, I always receive positive energy, money with lots of blessings and love. So bless yourself, bless your money. Say Tathastu, I am wealthy. Say Tathastu, that I am receiving my money goal. Say Tathastu, As my blocked money is already released. And imagine yourself that you are receiving that message, text message, that X amount is already credited into your bank account. Some surprise money is coming into your way. Not in your bank account, but in your hands. कैसे हो रहा है, कब हो रहा है, you don't know, but your energy is attracting this magical money. Say tathastu, tathastu, tathastu. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. Rub your hand. Open your eyes gently. And take this money energy to all over your body. And let's come into on video. Let's bless each and every person. Let's come into blessings position. Yes, we don't know whose blessings working for me, working for you. So let's bless each and every person. So I bless my money and I bless others' money as well. When I heal my money blocks, it also heals others' money blocks. Together we all are healed. Together we all are growing. One more time, together we all are healed. Together we all are growing. So tathastu, tathastu, tathastu. Thank you everybody for creating this beautiful, powerful, high vibrational money frequency. Thank you. And let's share big heart to each and every person for creating this money frequency. Yes. Thank you.